Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up a Windows Hello PIN on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on your Windows Start button, and then you want to select Settings. You want to select the Accounts tile on the left. And then on the right side, select Sign In Options. So in order to use the Windows Hello PIN, you have to have a password on your computer, which I'll go ahead and actually just set up right now. And then I'm going to select Next. So for Windows Hello PIN, we're going to go ahead and select that. Use a PIN to sign into Windows Apps and Services. Go ahead and select Setup. And now you're just going to have to enter in your computer password and then select OK. And now at this point, you go enter in your PIN that you want to use and select OK. Once that's done, if you close out of here and sign out, and you scroll your lock screen up, you will be prompted to insert your PIN. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.